Just touching me, trick me, trick me, 'cause baby.
All night, say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that, your ass is still amazing. Playing, babe, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will, come through and chill. Just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence if you with it. I guarantee you won't regret you did it.
Just you will come through and chill. Just like you will will come through and chill. Just say you will. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night.
Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone.
In your gas. Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 from my yard. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. Noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is run. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up, I've been starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right at, I really need time now. I really need, I need to free my mind. I really need my mind. I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. I really need to free my mind out. I really need.
Okay, so it's storming. Our lights went off. Yeah. So I gotta pick up this patch of trash right here. So that's what I'm gonna try to do real quick, even though the lights is off. And then I'm just chill, don't mind my head because I took my wig off. But yeah, let's get into it.
If it wasn't for the money, car, the moon, stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still calling me? Would you be loving me? Loving you.
I really need my love. I really need to free my love. I really need time. I need to free my mind out. I really need time. I really need to free my love. I really need time now. Set me free and let me open mind. Farther than the eyes can handle. Free and the ocean now. Yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind.
You can't even see me. Cause all that is me is be on you. I'm just saying I can leave. Yeah, fine that you call and you talk to the girl.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you're loving every night, it make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. I feel make you mine. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you're paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay. It ain't making my DJs I feel this for you every day. When you call
I do want to come to you guys. This is officially the end of this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the YouTube video up top so you get all my videos as soon as I post them. And without further ado, you guys, stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to thank God. Don't forget to thank God for blessing me with another day. And I do want to say we is officially on our way to 500 subscribers. We did hit our 260 subscriber mark one of these days last week. And with that, we're out.